So I can proudly say that the course is finally out. The course that will lead you from not knowing anything about hair bonding to be efficient in doing this yourself. So it's like do it yourself course. I'm really proud in the way that I have presented it, and I hope you will like it too. Basically what I have done it in the way that I wished there was a material like this when I was going through the same journey that you are at right now. So I didn't want to overwhelm you with information that you don't need. I have compressed all the information and my experience from a decade of wearing and learning from other people and just implementing all I've learned, testing, trialing, failing, successing. So I've done it all, so it's compressed and pretty much the shortest part to get the result without any like trialings and any hair pulling. We don't need that, right? We already lost the hair. There are two options how you can go about anything. Like you can either have time or money, right? So if you have time, you can watch all the free information on the internet, but this is so much information you just get confused and you don't know, you're paralyzed, you don't know how to proceed and how to move forward. And because so many people speak different aspects of it, like their own experience, you cannot get that really concise experience and process. So it's really hard to kind of puzzle all the pieces together coming from all the different sources. It's like trying to do the recipe and you're trying to get one piece of the recipe from one person, another one from another person, and in the end you're not really sure if they really have those results, do they really practice what they preach, so on and so on. And I just wanted to, for those that want the results as quick as possible, like we do want the hair as soon as possible to replace our weak hairs and just move on with our lives. I just wanted to make that journey as short as possible for you, so you can just move on. You can just learn the skill, implement it, and go on and enjoy the new hair. So it took me 2 years before I started, and I want to reduce this for like a month. If you take the whole journey of the course, you will see it's easily digestible and you are good to go really fast. Also, what I wanted to achieve with this course is to show you that you don't really need to rely on anybody but yourself. This is a lifelong skill, especially with bonding, which is like something you're going to do probably on the long term, and you're wearing this hair for a long time. You want to do this yourself as soon as possible, so you get the ropes and you do this on your own. That way, not only that you're saving money from not going to the salons that overcharge you, you are just having this in your own hands, and who is better to really want the best results for you than yourself? You don't want to be dependent on skills of the technicians in the salon. They can change, you could move, like those salons could close. Remember COVID, like a lot of salons were closed in that period. Also, you don't want to be dependent on the hair systems they provide. You can find your own hair systems, so on and so on. And especially because you don't want to be dependent when and where you are doing your installments, because you can do it in the comfort of your own home when you want. Like if you have some urgency, you can do it just before going to vacation, so you have a fresh bond, so you're never on the edge and stressing about and having anxiety like when you're going to catch the salon or like anybody who's doing this for you. It's good for the start if you want, and to just start with a salon if you want to just get the ropes of bonding, something that could help you get past that stage of fear and just having somebody else do this for you. But I advise you, as soon as you can, just have this in your pocket. This is a lifelong skill that will be useful for years to come. So if you find this useful, I invite you to come and join me in the course.